Alright guys, so we're here on the computer now. Hopefully my audio quality is a lot better than last time in my last video. But right over here, y'all can see my subscriber count right there. So this is live. So if somebody were to subscribe right now, that would go up. Our goal is to hit 1,500 subscribers. So let's go ahead and hit that. Every single video, that 338 subscribers is going to keep on increasing because I know we're going to hit our goal right there, okay? So let's go ahead and get to the trade breakdown and show y'all what's going on. So this is a live trade video. Let's go. Alright, so as y'all can see, we're in the gold trade, okay? Playing out pretty smoothly. I mean, I'm only risking, I'm only risking $27, okay, to make 0.4%. Alright, and I'm cool with that. Look at my account, I'm already up 0.25%. I'm already up 5% for the day. Since my last video I uploaded, I was at 2%. That was yesterday. Today we're at 2.5%. So if this hits TP, I'm going to be at close to 3%, which I'm really happy about. And look, the trade started moving as soon as we started recording. Okay, but anyways, let's go ahead and get to the trade breakdown. Okay, so this is the gold trade. As y'all see, it's pretty empty. I don't really have any indicators besides this EMA, which I love. Alright, anyways, so let's go ahead and see why I got in right here. Okay, so we were on a downtrend, obviously. It's back right here. So we were on a downtrend like this, okay, and this EMA, first of all, is below this EMA. That means that it's going to drop. Okay, that's what this EMA tells us. Alright, so we were on a downtrend, and then, so now that I think about it, y'all, I actually got in here. Okay, I actually got in because I got in this trade while I was on my phone. Okay, but I actually got in right here. Yeah, I did. Check this out right here. Low risk. What do y'all think is gonna happen at market resume? So yeah, I got in here, and then I got in on the pullback now. So we see that it's a downtrend. It's going down, and then the market did not, fail to break structure to the upside. It respected this area right here. Okay, if it would have broken above and closed, then the market might continue going up. But it did not break above it. It stayed within these areas. Okay, like that. This box, this rectangle right here, it did not fail to break above. So we're basically seeing equal highs being created, double top, and then it dropped, and then it did a pullback. Okay, it did a pullback again, respecting this area here. Okay, respecting the downtrend, not breaking above this candle here, and not breaking above this candle here. It just closed right here, showing that the bears have control. And then after I realized that, I just got in. I had gotten in up here. I had gotten up right up here. Okay, and then I just let it play out. So this is where we're at currently. TP is right over here at 182.28.72. 182.28.72. So around that area is where our TP is for 103. Okay, stop loss 183768. 183768. 183768. 183768. So like that, 183768, and TP is right down there. So yeah, now we're just letting this trade play out. It's 7 p.m. We're about to see Asian session happen. So let's go ahead and just let it do what it do. I'm currently, so even if this trade was to go ahead and hit my stop loss at $27, I will still be up 2.3%. So yeah, let's go ahead and let it do what it do, y'all. If it hits TP, then awesome, you know, then that's just awesome. If it doesn't, oh well, I'm only losing 27 bucks, so, or 0.27%. That's it. So yeah, I'm gonna catch y'all when something happens, but for now, I'm gonna just hit pause on the recording. Alright, y'all, so it looks like it's doing really good. Currently 0.3%. By the way that is looking, it does look like it's going straight to profit. So let's go ahead and let it play out. I'm thinking about moving my stops to break even. Now we just go ahead and let the trade play out. I mean, you know, this is a nicely well done play, well thought out, strategic. We're just gonna let it play out. Stops to break even, so yeah.
Summertime, but I'm feeling cold. I don't even wanna go back home. She drew the line, oh, she did me wrong. Now I can't even sleep, and I dream, and I close my eyes at all. It hurts inside, she don't realize the pain. Keep it 100, baby, do you really need this love? Okay. Too much corrosion, baby, and it's getting out of line. Yeah, I'm so broken, baby, but you still remain untouched. She put a hole in my heart. 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 Big hole in the left side of my chest. Right there where my heart used to reside, where it used to rest. She left me feeling empty, and I'm looking like what's next. I guess it's best I don't stress over you. Fill it up, fill my cup with Patron, I'm so gone, I know it's not good. At this point, I'm so done with her. I'll drown in my sorrows, I'll be good tomorrow. Keep it 100, baby, do you really need this love? Too much corrosion, baby, and it's getting out of line. Heart's so broken, baby, but you still remain untouched. She put a hole in my heart. She put a hole in my heart. She put a hole in. She put a hole in my heart. She put a hole in. She put a hole in my heart. She put a hole in. She put a hole in my heart. She used to jump up on it, reminiscing back when we was good. Everything was going smooth as hell. It took a while to get her out the shell. Broke a leg is how hard I feel for her. I would take care of her. She had the nerve to swerve, put me on the curb. After I gave her my word, she moved on.
Alright, y'all, so that was that right there. It did go ahead and hit my stop loss, which was right here. So that brings me to $181 profit, which brings my account to 2.5% in the profits. Okay, so yeah, I'm feeling good about that. We went ahead and secured the bag. Okay, thank y'all so much for watching the video. If you're new, definitely go ahead and hit that subscribe button and leave a like and comment down what video you guys want to see next. Okay, I really look forward to y'all comments. It keeps me going. Once again, thank y'all so much for watching. The subscriber goal right here, let's go ahead and hit 1,500,000 subscribers. Okay, that's the goal, so we're gonna go ahead and smash that goal. All right, boom, right over there. Let's go ahead and smash that goal, and I look forward to seeing y'all in my next video. Thank y'all so much for watching, and I'm out. Peace.